Welcome to Off the Hook Outdoors. I'm Ted, your host. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a mass airflow sensor in the 2015 GMC Sierra. As you can see, I got my truck back from the shop. It's been almost a year since I've had it. I had the lifters, the camshaft, the catalytic converter, all kinds of stuff replaced in it, and I still have a check engine light coming on, but the code was a P0175, which means it's a mass airflow sensor. So I went and got the part, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to change the sensor if you ever have to do it. So here at Off the Hook Outdoors, one call does it all. We do a little bit of everything here. So I'm going to put this on for you guys in case anybody ever has to change it. You know how to do it. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. All right, guys, so you got to get a hex head, which is 3/32 right here, and this is your sensor right here. Okay, so what you got to do is, I don't know if you could see this right here, you got to take this lock and click the lock up. Okay, you just pop out, you pull the red tab, which is the lock, and then push this in and pull it out. Okay, this is your sensor here. So you get your 3/32 hex head. Hope you guys can see this. I just don't want to lose this screw. Like I said, we do it all here at Off the Hook Outdoors. Do a little bit of everything. So we're going to change this out for you guys, just so if anybody ever has to do this, see how easy it is. Okay, so we got the screws out. You want to keep them in a safe place, which I'll put them in my box down there. Then the sensor just slides out, just like that. Okay, set that aside, get the new Duralast sensor out. This was, AutoZone was 70 bucks. So, get the new sensor out. Comes in like a little wrap bubble pack here. Pop that open. Slide this right back in the way it came, just like that. I'll put the old one in the box. Switch that off to the side. I'm gonna get my screws back. And I'm gonna make sure I don't drop the screw. Put it in here. Start it. You guys can see that there. Start it, don't go all the way in yet, and then take this and start that one, and then I go all the way in with this screw here. Like I said, it's a 3/32 hex head on here. Make sure it's tight. Then I take the wrench and just put the one little snug turn on it, like that. Let me get it up here a little better for you. Hope you guys are seeing that. Okay, let me take our clippy, push it back in, like so. Make sure it's all the way in. Push the lock down, and we are in, guys. And that's as simple as that, guys. That's how you change a mass airflow sensor in your 2015 GMC Sierra. Throw your tools away. Pretty easy. Like I said, I got my parts at AutoZone, and I got the Duralast part, and that is it, guys. Simple as that. That took me what, 5 minutes? I think it took me longer to get the tools out than it did to change that sensor right there. Now this wire here hanging, I don't like how this is like bent right here with these wires. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably wire tie this up right here, just to give it a little bit of play so it ain't pulling on those wires. I don't like that, so I'm just gonna I'll put that into these antifreeze hoses here. I'll just wire tie it right on here to take some pressure off of these wires right here, just for that. So, but yeah, if you guys don't know, my truck's been gone for about a year almost. We've had issues with the dealership and everything, and I blew my lifters twice in here. So we got all the lifters fixed, everything, and then we had another problem with the coil. So we had the coil replaced, and then we had the catalytic converter replaced because it was running like crap. And all the fuel from the lifter, having a blown out lifter, was dumping more fuel into the catalytic converter. So we had to get a new catalytic converter as well. So now we're dealing with this sensor stuff with the catalytic. So this is the first step. I'm hoping that the check engine stays off. If not, the next thing we'll do is probably check on the O2 sensor. But hopefully, fingers crossed, we change the side and we don't have no other problems. So, all right, guys. Well, like I always say, take a kid fishing or hunting, or show them how to fix a truck. I should have learned when I was younger. That way I could fix all this stuff myself, but now I have to learn it. So yeah, if you guys get into it, you know, and YouTube is a great resource for videos and stuff too. If you don't know how to do something, look it up on YouTube as well. So like I always say, guys, take a kid fishing or hunting. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get back to the take the kids fishing and hunting so we can preserve our sport and pass it on to future generations, and we will see ya.